Camera phone imagery is becoming very popular these days, but the problem is if we want to print these images out, the size issue of these images is too great. And I'm going to show you how we can resize a camera phone image quite easily. If I go up to the menu Image Size, in the image size dialog box you can see the size of the image here, and it tells you the image size is 18.2 megabyte, and the width and the height of this image is 45.1 inches by 27.1 inches. The resolution, however, is 72 pixels per inch. 72 ppi to web. If we wish to print, we should take this up to 300 pixels per inch. This will allow the image to shrink in size and be a more realistic size of print. If I change this resolution here to 300, I have the width and the height and the resolution linked all together. So if I change this resolution, they'll all change together. So I type in 300, you can see now the width and the height has gone down to 10 inches by 6 inches, and it'll be more realistic for print work.